Hey Spiffy Family. Now, you're probably wondering, it's about time she uploaded, but I'm glad to make this video, and I'm probably gonna annoy y'all a little bit because I'm gonna be pretty present on YouTube again. Listen, we are at 50K! 50K, that's awesome. I wanna thank you guys so much for that. We're gonna get all glammed up. I'll talk to you in the next clip because your girl about to get popping, okay? I'm already popping, but I'm about to get popping more. You know what I'm saying? Hey family, welcome or welcome back. If you're new to my channel, my name is Patrice. I know it's been a long time since I've made a video, about maybe 4 months now. And I just want to say I'm glad to be back. And it wasn't because I didn't want to not make videos or anything like that, but it was just a space in my life. I feel like the seasons that we go through, I personally had to focus on so many different things and a lot of changes were happening. So I kind of like appreciated the change because I knew that there was going to be a time where I will fully be able to be attentive to my business, to my channel, to everything that I've been working on, especially things that are in the will of God. I'm just really excited to be back and I just miss you guys so much. I kid you not, like I was just like, I have to make a video tomorrow. Okay, maybe next week. Okay, maybe 2 weeks later. And it turned into months upon months and it got easier to neglect the fact that I was making a video versus this needs to be done. And it's not like, you know, I don't enjoy making videos because I absolutely do. I went through a dry season of not knowing what to talk about because there was a point where I didn't really want to talk about hair. Like, I know a lot of people reach out to me like, oh, hey, I want you to help me like grow my locks and this and that. And I do read you guys' messages, but I didn't get to every single person because my inbox is really full. Hopefully I'll be able to answer your questions here on my channel. To answer everyone individually is very, very difficult because a lot of times you guys are asking the same questions. So it's best for me to make a video so that it can help a wide range of people. My makeup is like melting off my face. I had this on since 9 o'clock this morning. Right now it is 9 o'clock p.m. I just wanted to quickly make this video and I'm grateful to God that, you know, my channel is able to grow and able to reach a lot of people. And I just pray that this year, along with the years to come, that my channel will continue to grow. Shoot, even hit 1 million one day, okay? I thank you for loving my lock journey. There's been a lot going on with my hair. In this video, I'm actually going to just talk to you guys about my hair, how it's been, and just kind of take my hair down from these braids. It's gonna be a braid out. Some of them, there's no like rubber bands at the end because I actually had beads on them, and I'll probably insert a picture here or a video here just so that you guys can kind of see like what my hair was looking like when I was wearing the beads. But I truly love braid outs because I love the way that it makes my hair look. It just looks nice and healthy, and for some reason with braid outs my hair feels so much lighter. These days I feel like my hair has a lot of weight to it. It's been some time, so it's probably time to actually detox my hair, which I will be doing on my channel. Here I have my spray bottle and I have some oil. This is some American, I said American, girl, you sleepy? This is African Healing Oil. This is by Talia Walid. I don't remember how to pronounce her name. I always butcher it, but this is the oil that I'm using just to put it in the palm of my hands because this will prevent from frizziness and it will prevent from like, you know, pulling on your hair, and it will help your hair look nice and healthy. I'm gonna put some oil in the middle of my palm, like, okay. It's not doing the aesthetic flow on my hand, so let's pour it out. So, oh yeah, like something like that. Like Tabitha be saying, she's so cute. I love her. I do need to do some trimming because my hair, the ends are kind of getting thin, which is pretty normal. when your hair is in the mature stage, it is possible for your ends to kind of get a little thin, depending on the size of locks you have. If you have very thick locks, then your locks may just be the same and you're good to go. But when you have like smaller, medium-sized locks, your ends could potentially get thin. And the way to keep your hair healthy is by trimming. Some people believe that they shouldn't trim, while I believe that I trim if I want to trim, because if my hair needs it, it's going to happen. I'm going to go ahead and spritz some. I'm going to spritz some on my hair, because my scalp really needs it. Since I've been gone for such a long time, please let me know what videos you want me to do, and like I will definitely implement that into my schedule and get it done. I am not my hair, I am not the skin. I guess nobody ever told you. So this is the final look. I love a good braid out. I feel like it's like a 2-in-1 look, especially like with pipe cleaner, same thing, 2-in-1 look. 2-strand twist is a 2-in-1 look as well. So I rocked it for a week, took it out. Here we are with a bomb braid out. Thank you, Jesus. But yeah. So that's all for this video. I hope you have a wonderful and blessed day. I hope you enjoyed this video. What I want you guys to do is leave your video ideas and everything down below and give me some ideas on what you want to see on my channel.
Hold up.
You know, like when you do your hair and like, you know you're cute already, but when you do your hair, it's like you're a different type of cute. Like you just look good. Like, I don't know. It has... You know what I'm talking about. You look good even when your hair is not retwisted, it's not done, you still look cute. But it's like when you do your hair, you look different. Like, I don't know how to, you know what I'm saying. I don't gotta keep explaining, but that's how I'm feeling right now. Like, I'm feeling great, feeling good. Yeah, so I love a beautiful braid out. Thank you so much. God bless you. Always remember, be spiffy and be you. Peace.